Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to launch my TikTok application. And this is my TikTok. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. I'm going to open up my gallery and I'm going to select video. We can choose a video we want to reverse. And wait guys, for example, I'm going to choose a video from my download folder. I'm going to choose this video for instance, and then we can click on next. Okay, and to reverse this video, we need to apply reverse effect. We can go to the effect menu. You can click on the symbol to go to the effect menu, and you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the time category. We will find the reverse effect in this category, and we can simply click on reverse. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the video has been reversed. And in this time category, you will be able to apply other effects as well. You can repeat your video, or you can slow down the video to create slow motion. Okay, we need to select them all to apply the slow-mo. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply reverse since we want to reverse our video. Okay, and this is the result. And then once you're done, you just need to click on save, and then you can continue the editing on TikTok. You can add tag, sticker, or maybe filter to your video. And then once you're ready to share your TikTok video, you can click on next, and then you're going to add description for your video, and you can add location as well or add link. It's up to you. And then once you're ready to post it, you can click on the post option, and then the reversed video will be uploaded to your TikTok account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse a video on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.